Does your oven door look like a crime scene? You know the look, covered in brown, baked-on grease that refuses to budge, no matter how hard you scrub or which expensive chemical sprays you buy. It is embarrassing, and it makes the whole kitchen feel dirty. Stop scrubbing. Put down the scouring pad. Today, I am going to show you the ultimate cleaning hack that feels like magic. You are going to clean that glass to a sparkle using just one thing, a dishwasher tablet. Here's the science. Dishwasher tablets are made of concentrated heavy-duty detergents designed to cut through grease and remove baked-on food. But instead of dissolving them in the machine, we are going to use their abrasive texture to our advantage. Step 1. The prep. Put on a pair of rubber gloves. Take a standard pressed powder dishwasher tablet, not the gel pod type. You need the hard, chalky ones. Step 2. The dip. Dip the corner of the tablet into a small bowl of warm water. You want it wet just enough to soften the edge, but not crumbling apart. Step 3. The eraser. Now simply rub the wet tablet directly onto the glass. Treat it like a pencil eraser. You will see the brown grease turn into a thick paste and lift away instantly. It is incredibly satisfying. Keep dipping and rubbing until you have covered the whole door. Step 4. The wipe. Take a damp cloth or paper towel and wipe away the grey residue. And look at that, crystal clear glass with zero scratching and zero back-breaking scrubbing. Try this before your next big family meal. It is a game changer. Share this hack with a friend. Subscribe to another how-to guru for more home hacks that actually work.